Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to stop Character.AI addiction fast. So let's just say you are somehow addicted to Character.AI. The only way to get rid of it is basically get a detox of your device and the website, or maybe just block the website from your backend section so you can no longer access it pretty easily, and also tell the platform to deactivate your account and your progress and everything. So yeah, that's the only thing best you can do to get rid of it. Since it is an online platform, we can pretty much do much, but yeah, try to stay progressive and believe in yourself, and that's the only way that you can do to stop Character.AI addiction fast. So I hope this helps. Stay safe, take care, and see you guys around in the next video.